What's up guys, this is Linus here with iOS Jailbreak Zone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get any paid app or game for free on your iOS 7 devices. Now in this video I'm going to be using an iPhone 4S, but you can basically use any iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch that is running iOS 7 or below, so it will still work on your iPhone 5S, iPhone 5C and all the other new devices that Apple did release this year. But without further ado, let's get started. Now first off, I'm just going to select an application that I want to download, and I do have TrueSkate in mind. It is a $2 application, and as you can see I have not purchased it. If I just tap on it, it does say buy, which means I obviously haven't purchased it through the App Store. But in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how I install this application into my iPhone without even paying for it. So guys, let's just go home, and as you can see I have my iPhone 4S connected to my computer, and you will need a computer for this. However, you don't have to be jailbroken or anything to do that, which is really great about this method. So once you're on your computer, all you have to do is just go into this website. It is pro.25pp.com. Links will be down below in the description as well as on the screen right now, so don't worry about it. Just go to the website, and if you have Google Chrome installed, it will translate the foreign language to English, so that's really great about Google Chrome. I'm going to be using it for this video just to make things a little bit easier, and if you're doing so, it's going to be quite easy for you too. So let's just scroll down and find the download section, and as you can see it is available for Windows, which most of you guys are using, but if you're on Mac you can also try this, and that way you can just download it for Mac. You can now hit download if you're on Windows, but on Mac all you have to do is just go into this link and then just hit the download link over here. So as you can see, the file is downloading on my Windows based computer right here, and it shouldn't take too long, but I'm just going to be skipping this. So guys, the download is now complete on my computer, and I'm just going to be hitting this file to open it up, and if it asks you anything like this, just be sure to hit yes, and it should start the installation. So as you can see, all the text is in another language, but I'm just going to be running you through this, and it's not that hard to find out what the words actually mean. So as you can see, this button highlighted in blue should be saying next, so I'm just going to hit that, and as you can see I was right, and now I can just hit this browse button and select where I want to save it, but I'm not going to do that as I'm fine with the desktop installation. And then I'm just going to hit the blue button again, which probably means next, and then you can select your start menu entry, but I'm just going to name it PPPC. And then we want to hit this blue button once again, and it should start installing straight away. Alright, so once you have it installed, it might ask you to open it up as soon as you hit finish, and I'm just going to untick that and hit finish. Exit out of my web browser, you can do that too, and as you can see I do have PPPC on my desktop. If you have it saved somewhere else, just be sure to open it up from over there, but I'm just going to open it up from my desktop. Alright, once the file is open, you should be able to see this little window over here, and in a couple of seconds it should change to your device, so I'm just going to let it load. And as you can see, it does say Linus iPhone 4S, which is my device of course, and you can also install it on your device and use it like the App Store, but that's another video which I'll be making very soon. So let's just use the computer for now. So as you can see, it does say iPhone 4S and everything, and all I'm going to do now is just going to hit this blue little button that's under the P button, so that's the Apple Store, and that's for non-jailbroken users. If you are jailbroken, you're welcome to try that out, but for this video I'm just going to be helping out the non-jailbroken users. So as you can see over here, it is a bit like iTunes, and you can basically get an idea of what apps are available and what you can download and whatnot, and there is also a search bar on the top right hand corner, and I'm just going to search for TrueSkate. That's the game I was looking at just before. And now as you can see I have found it, and it is the top one, so I'm just going to click on the name. It did also say that it's available for all devices, so you know, your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, it's pretty much an universal app, and all we want to do now is just hit this button which will sync it straight into our device. So I'm just going to hit that, and as you can see it is downloading over here. It should show you the download speed, which is getting quite fast. It's around 100 kilobytes per second, but it's a 30 megabyte plus file, so it should take a while, and I'm gonna get back to you once it's almost done. So the download is almost done on my computer, and if you do hit that little downloading progress bar, you will be able to see how much it is downloaded and how long it will take approximately to download the file. So as you can see, there's about 7 seconds left, and my device should show that it's syncing once the download is complete. So now as you can see it is complete, and I do see that a little +1 button in green did appear, so I'm just going to click on that. Now you should be able to see that it has been queued up for your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch, whatever you're using. So I'm just going to hit this little blue button over here, and it should sync it to my device straight away. So I did get a warning sign. I'm just going to hit yes. And then as you can see, I did get an error, but I'm just gonna hit this little button and it should fix that. Let's try once again. And as you can see, it is now syncing over to my device. I don't see anything on my device right here, but it should be syncing over. And I'll just slide to unlock. It's almost done. It's at 90% right now. So now the sync is complete, and on my computer, as you can see, I can see a green tick. And on my iPhone right here, I can see that TrueSkate has been installed. So I'm just going to hit on that and open up the game. I'm just going to hit local only. So as you can see, the game is now opening up. I'm just going to skip through all of this, hit start, and just play. I don't really know how to play this. You guys can probably help me out down below in the comment section on how to play this game. But anyways guys, I'm just going to disconnect this from my computer. As we're basically done with that, I'm just going to clip this back. So now you don't really need your computer anymore. I'm just going to go home and then delete it from my multitasking and open up the App Store. And if I just search for TrueSkate over here, so now as you can see, instead of buy, it does say open, and if I just hit the open button, it should open up the game straight away, and it won't ask me for any kind of verification and anything like that. And as you can see, my game center does start working straight away, and it does work with iCloud and whatnot. So I'm just gonna have another go at this game. As you can see, I kind of flipped but didn't really make it. So anyways guys, that is basically how you install cracked apps for free on your iOS 7 devices. As you can see, I'm running iOS 7 on this device, and it's not jailbroken at all guys, I promise. Just be sure to try it out, and if it does work for you guys, please give this video a thumbs up just to let the others know that it does work. And also be sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more great tutorials like this as soon as they're uploaded to YouTube. So guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.